Today on Mullen Automotive. Now it is sitting at 15 cents, another red day here for this stock, down 5.7% on the day here, still sitting at 15 cents after hours. But again, we've talked about Mullen now for about the last week and a half to 2 weeks. Trading volume is down compared to the average trading volume, only 174 million trades here, which is one of the more higher traded stocks here on the market. Again, 175 million trades of Mullen Automotive. We're getting used to this over 200 million average for this stock. But yeah, it's been kind of a bloodbath over the last week and a half. Do not yet know if we are at rock bottom here for Mullen. If we take a look at the last 6 months, I mean, this is as low as it's really been. Even looking at the last year, it's definitely as low as it's possibly been. It did get that 180-day NASDAQ extension, which we alluded to in the previous couple of videos. But I wanted to talk about two different things here today in regards to Mullen Automotive stock. I just want to keep this as brief as possible. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, you guys. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. All I ask is please you drop a like on this video. But let's get right into it. Again, I just don't want to mention that I'm not recommending getting a position here in Mullen right now. I mean, I guess if you do like Mullen, you could get a position, as it is obviously a great buying opportunity. But what I mean is I don't see a time in the next 3 to 4 months where Mullen is going to suddenly spike over $1 anytime soon. So just keep that in mind here. If you do look to get a position in Mullen, this is a speculative long-term play here. But yeah, let's get into this. Mullen stock is now again on the short sale restriction list again. It has faced short sale restrictions at least 10 times since the month of January. The SSR, according to these regulations, investors may no longer sell Mullen shares short unless the stock price rises on the particular trade. Academic studies have found these uptick rules effective in helping prevent bear raids on certain risky stocks. We talked about in the previous video how Mullen was on some sort of SSR list and was going to be on this SSR list for a little while. Now they're back on it again. So it doesn't really surprise me, as there is a ton of short interest on this stock, and there has been. You can see here, obviously, this isn't the first time Mullen has triggered the circuit breaker. Since January, the California-based startup has triggered short sale restrictions at least 10 times, most recently March 10th. So just 4 days ago, they were on this, and the EV startup continues to experience high volatility. Over the same period, Mullen stock has moved an average of 6% from its previous close on a daily basis. And also, I want to talk about this. Mullen response to drawbridge court summons. The legal drama between Drawbridge Investments, DBI, and Mullen continues forward. So I guess there is some sort of issue going on here between Mullen Automotive and Drawbridge Investments and the principal Steve Davis as a predatory lender. The company argues that there is no enforceable option agreement for the grounds of the complaint. The Mullen stock is down 50% year to date. Now the Mullen car here looks pretty cool. Let's be honest with ourselves, guys. This does look pretty cool here. But essentially what's going on here is there was a complaint filed by Drawbridge Investments and DBI Lease Buyback Servicing early this month. The plaintiffs allege that Mullen has not fulfilled its obligation to deliver Drawbridge any Series E preferred stock. Mullen stock hasn't been doing very well today and is down 4% afternoon trading and 50% year to date. They are seeking a temporary restraining order concerning increasing authorized shares of any class stock, or to have Mullen agree not to issue or increase authorized preferred stock until the plaintiffs receive their Series E preferred stock. If these reliefs cannot be provided, the plaintiffs seek to receive at least $100 million in damages. And Mullen essentially responded to this. They're represented by Manette, Phelps, and Phillips, and brings up the alleged predatory lending practices used by Drawbridge and its principal. Mullen provides several examples of litigation involving Davis in the past. In one example, Davis allegedly told a client that there were only 2 ways to escape payment: win the lottery or die, because Davis could not collect the money from a dead body. Mullen also accused the plaintiffs of taking advantage of a cash-strapped startup company, which that is very true. That is what Mullen is, to receive a payout of over $25 million. So this isn't obviously having no effect on the price of Mullen. Obviously, it's a bunch of other factors as well. But we continue to monitor Mullen here. Obviously, at 15 cents is absolute bloodbath of a price compared to just what it's kind of been trading at and what we are hoping it would be. We do have earnings coming up hopefully very, very soon, according to Yahoo Finance, March 14th to the 17th, which March 14th is today. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Mullen. I'm going to continue to cover this stock. Drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, you guys have a great day.